A very warm welcome to all of you on the behalf of Vision Group of Institution. My name is Ayushi Nigam, Head of Department of Computer Science and Engineering Branch. I am here with a small presentation on computer science. Let's start with history of computer science. History of computer science is divided into the three generations. First generation started from 1937 to 1946. In 1937, first electronic digital computer was built by Dr. John V. Atonsoff and Clifford Berry. That's why this computer was called as ABC computer. In 1943, a computer name called Colossus was built for military purposes. In second generation, instead of vacuum tubes, transistors are used for developing the computers. In 1951, first computer developed for commercial purpose. And during this generation, approximately 100 of computer languages, programming languages was developed. And computer also had a memory, operating system, storage media on that time. In third generation, the third generation, 1980s, first personal computer for home and official use was developed by IBM International Business Machine. And during this generation, approximately 1990s, first operating system, that is Windows operating system, was provided by Microsoft company. Now move towards the need of computer science. In the transforming era, use of computer science has become even more important than the past scenario. हमारे सुबह उठने से लेकर रात में सोने तक अगर हम देखें तो every field of life is get affected with the use of computer science and engineering applications. These are the collaboration of computer science with another branches. As you can see, computer science is playing a vital role in various sectors. Either if we talk about a healthcare sector, or a research sector, or education sector, even also in agriculture sector. These are the jobs in government sectors, and these are the top recruiter companies that hires computer science engineers. And you have already heard about the name of Hindustan Petroleum, Power Grid Corporation Limited, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Bharat Atomic Research Corporation. All these are the top recruiter companies of government of India. These are the some multinational companies that hires computer science engineers like IBM, Microsoft, Accenture, Oracle, TCS, Cognizant, and many more. These companies also provides an opportunity to computer science engineers to work in foreign, and also provides a high salary package to our computer science engineers. These are some final year projects. First one is face recognition, that is artificial intelligence based project, which is a newly emerged technology. And next one is personal assistant, which is somewhat similar as Google Assistant. And you also heard about Amazon Alexa, which and these are some more projects. Gas leakage control system helps in controlling the leakage of gas based on newly emerged technology, IoT. And women security system, also based on a newly emerged technology, Internet of Things. And which this project is really helpful in resolving a big issue related to security of women. And the next one is smart warehouse, and this project is really helpful in agriculture sector. and also based on newly merged technology, Internet of Things. So in this way, I can say you all these projects are based on newly merged technology of computer science and engineering branch made by our CS final year students. This is the placement record of 2019-20 session, and these are the top recruiter companies: Infosys, Axis Bank, Genpact, Adobe, Raj Ratan, etc. And hires our students. These are the placement. This is the placement record of our alumni students, and as you can see, Ayush Shrivastava, Priyanka, Rajat Katiyar, Sanchita Shukla, and Shruti Agrawal. And all these students are working in highly top recruited company in high salary package. This is the result of BTech first year students of 2018-19 session. Kajol Singh secured 83% marks, and Smriti Singh Bhadoria secured approximately 80% marks, and there are many more students which got more than 70% marks, as you can see over here. This is the result of CS final year students 2018-19 batch. Nigar Fatima was topper of CS and who secured 82% marks. Tanujend Verma secured 81.9% marks. Simran Katiyar secured 81% marks, and there are some students which secured slightly less than 80% marks are Priyanka Pandey and Mukesh Kumar. This is the outlook of CS department. As you can see, the students are working in CS laboratory, which is represented over here. Now move towards some glimpse of multinational company Google. This is the Google Infratech infrastructure, and these are the some glimpse of Google Workstation and their reception. And these are some more glimpses of Tata Consultancy Services, their auditorium, their canteen, their workspace. Now move towards the revolving technologies of computer science and engineering branch, artificial intelligence and machine learning, Internet of Things and data science. If we talk about artificial intelligence, machine learning, अगर हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और मशीन लर्निंग की बात करें तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का मतलब होता है कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता। जब हम मनुष्यों की जैसी सोचने समझने की क्षमता और प्रॉब्लम्स को एनालाइज करके उसको सॉल्व करने की क्षमता मशीनों के अंदर बिल्डअप कर देते हैं, तो दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स का मतलब होता है Internet of Things provides a facility to connect all the appliances through the internet, and we can control these devices, these appliances, with the help of our mobile, our laptop, from any remote location. If we talk about data science, for to become a data science engineer, data scientists are required to have a great knowledge of mathematical concepts, statistical concepts, probability, and data science engineer data science data science analyze the data and do the predictions on the base of this data, and then helps in visualizing the data. These are the some examples of emerging technologies, and one of the most popular example is Arogya Setu app. इस आरोग्य सेतु ऐप की हेल्प से हम कोविड-19 से अफेक्टेड पेशेंट को ट्रेस किया जा सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ रियल टाइम डेटाबेस, और उसके देन उसके उसको उस पर्सन को, उस पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड किया जा सकता है. And this is one of the famous example of data science technology. Now move towards another example, Vyomitra robot. This is one of the humanoid robot, and this will be this is developed by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and they will use this robot in their next project, Gaganyaan. And another one is vehicle monitoring system. This is the example of Internet of Things, and with the help of this system we can track our vehicle from any remote location. So this is all about computer science and engineering branch. Thank you to all of you and have a nice day.